Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be inking and painting those two cute little birdies on a balloon swing, and for that I did use this Hahnemuller watercolor book or sketchbook, and also I did use this Raphael number 0 quill brush, Viviva color sheets, spring set, their cherry blossom, burgundy, tree bark brown, foliage green, olive green, midnight blue, and I also did use this Micron 03 ink pen, and pencil and kneaded eraser. So that's all the supplies we will be using, and without further ado, let's get to it. I will start with my sketch. So just gonna draw that swing and the balloons on top. And I will be drawing 4 balloons on each side. You can just draw as many as you like, shape them as you like. Mine are going to be teardrop shapes and circular. And now those two cute little birdies, one teardrop shape for one and the other. And then I'm going to shape them into the bird. Just add crease for head and then the body, and also I'm gonna draw the tail for both of them quite simply, and also the ground. And now I can move on to inking. First I'm gonna go on top of the sketch that I drew, just basically, quite simply, and I'm not trying to make it look perfect. It's quite scribbly and sketchy. Also same thing for those two little birds. Shape them. Later on I will be adding more details. So now I'm gonna erase my pencil sketch with the kneaded eraser. And now I can move on to more details, so just stylizing my balloons, adding at the bottom a little black part to which is my balloon connected to the string. And I'm gonna finish them all in the same way. Same thing for the birds, but I'm gonna again make those edges quite scribbly, making them look a little bit like feathers. And I'm gonna add those two little wings, just to put a couple of details. We don't have to be super precise or exact. And a little bit more details on the tail, and also more details on the balloons on the other side. I'm gonna add dots, lines, again just embellish them as I like. You can again do whatever doodles, scribbles you like. And now I'm gonna move on to my watercolor, starting off with the green. Painting in the ground and adding a little bit of the tree bark brown, some happy yellow, tree bark brown, and midnight blue to paint in the first bird. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the burgundy to paint in the second. And for the balloons, I'm gonna wet the paper around them first, because when I start adding my color, I do want it to bleed. And I'm gonna paint those balloons quite bright and colorful with blues, greens, pink, orange. Very, very colorful. Again, you can choose any colors that you like. Adding a bit more. Some splatters, of course. And some splatters for the flowers. A little bit more of the pink to that pink bird. And with that, we are done. I did dry it fully, so this is now looking dry. And guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it and decided to give it a try. It's super fun. You should definitely do that. And if you do like it, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here for beginners and advanced painters, and I'm sure you will find something for yourself. Again, thank you so much for joining me today, for painting this with me, and I do hope I will see you next time. Bye!